This old vise was the only thing I kept back from when this workshop was an old garden shed. The previous owners left it. Figured, you know, one day I'm gonna clean it up. I think that day is today. I don't know too much about this vise. There's a note on it. It says Great Neck number HDV4 made in China heavy duty vise. I guess it's safe to say I don't have a valuable antique on my hands. Let's see if I can find a new version of this product. Okay, this looks like it's very green. I actually prefer the black color. So, let's see how we can restore this old one. Oops. It was red at some point, and then you can see this questionable paint job. Before I thought it might have been more dirt, but no, it's definitely dried up paint. So I've been debating the finish here. First I was thinking paint. Now I had a different idea. I was thinking, how about a forced patina, where you create a rust surface and then we seal that to protect it. I think that could look kind of interesting and be functional at the same time. My one concern is that I haven't been able to, remove all of the paint. I've been able to clean it up, smooth it out, all that. So the patina might not be absolutely perfect or even. However, that might not be a bad thing either. So it's an experiment, right? it's been 2 hours and it looks kind of cool. But I was thinking, I think I'm just gonna leave it overnight. I wouldn't mind if it got a little bit darker even in color. Check on it tomorrow.
Is there any towel?
Nice and protected. Okay, all the pieces are cleaned, treated, oiled, waxed. Let's put the puzzle together again. Okay. Cool. This we couldn't do before. These are the metal jaws, and I mean they work fine. However, I've been using this to hold wood, and these mark the wood. So I was thinking I'm gonna make this piece work for how I use it, and I want to replace these with wooden jaws instead. One thing I've been debating is whether to wrap the whole jaw in leather, so the top is leather as well. The other option is just to do it right in the front. It's probably easier to get a clean look that way. So I took something that definitely wasn't mine and I made it mine. I think that's my favorite part of this, that now I am familiar with every part of this vise and it doesn't feel like dirty and yucky. It feels clean and like taken care of. And I rather like the finish. I think it looks quite interesting with this patina kind of coming through the black. So yeah, I like it. Also, the wood vise with the leather. For what I'm going to use this vise for, this makes so much more sense because for the most part I'm not going to actually use it for metal. I can still keep the metal jaw, so if I were to, if I needed those, I can replace them, switch them out. But yeah, this was really fun. I haven't really taken anything old and grimy and dirty apart in a while, and it was just reminded by how fun it is to do that. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you soon. Bye.